Today's video gonna show you how to add a new key for BMW CAS4 system via OBD port. Please connect ACDP programmer with vehicle OBD port. Then open Mini ACDP app. Choose BMW. Choose CAS1 to 4. Choose CAS4, CAS4 Plus. Choose OBD mode. Choose IMMO mileage. Choose Add Key Automatic mode. Make sure ACDP programmer has connected with OBD port. Please check the system information like VIN, mileage, system status, and other vehicle information. Please save screenshot. Click Continue. Please save the original coding date. That's the coding date storage path. Pre-process ECU system finished. Please save CAS data file. Please put the working key close to the emergency start sensitive antenna as shown in the picture. Check IMMO information like ISM, VIN, click OK. Choose the unoccupied key channel displayed as FF. Then put a new blank key close to the emergency start sensitive antenna. Key learning finished. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.